So I am making this jeans textured painting on a glass jar. For this, first we need to stick the tissue paper layer on the glass jar for the texture. I have done some. I'll do the rest now. So all you have to do is first take some Fevicol. Take around a teaspoon of Fevicol. And then add some water to it. It has to be in equal proportions. So take some water with the brush and mix it. So I'm diluting the Fevicol now. So after diluting the Fevicol, apply a layer of this diluted Fevicol on the glass jar and take tissue papers, tear it into pieces and then stick them one by one. So instead of sticking it flat, when we need some more texture, you can just crush it a little bit and then stick, so that we get some more texture, and then apply some more Fevicol on it and stick it. So instead of sticking it flat like this, see, it gives a very flat texture. Instead of this, we can crush it a little bit and stick on it. This gives more texture. So the same way I will stick the tissue paper, let it overlap on the previous one, just dab with the brush so that it sticks to the glass jar. So the more we crush, more texture we get, and the more texture, the more beautiful the jeans effect will look on it. Wherever there are gaps, stick some more tissue paper. Put a layer of glue on the tissue paper also. So it's not only on the glass jar but on the tissue paper. So I have covered the whole bottle with tissue paper. Wherever you feel the texture is less or there are some gaps, now there's some gap here, so I'll stick another piece of paper. Now I think there's less texture here, so crush a little bit more and stick it here. See that the tissue paper is stuck down. It should not be coming out. Now I'll let it dry for a few hours. After this, we can paint it. Now it's a few hours and this is completely dry. So I will first paint it with a layer of black acrylic paint. So while painting, see that all the nooks and corners are painted Now when we paint like this, we can still see some white color of the tissue paper. So make sure that that is also colored. Take a big brush or a flat brush and paint the whole bottle. There will be a lot of texture. So when I just paint like this, it's not painting fully black. So make sure that there's no gap left. Now I have painted the whole bottle in black. There is no gap left. So I will let this dry first. Then I'll do the second layer in blue. So let this dry. Okay, now the black color is dry. Now the next layer I'll be adding is ultramarine blue. When I was applying the black color, I applied it in any way. Upward strokes, up down strokes, or sideways strokes. But here, the next layer that I'll be adding, it will be only in one direction. So either vertical or horizontal. So I'm going to do this horizontal. And after this, the third layer will be silver color, which will be vertical. Take a dry brush. Don't take a wet brush. Take a dry brush and just the tip, and just do it in one direction. Just in one direction. I'm doing it horizontally. Now when I'm painting, there's very less blue visible. So after this dries, we can put another layer of blue, but in the same direction. I have put a layer of blue. Now let this dry. I'll again put a layer of blue on it. I'm putting a layer of blue paint only in horizontal direction. I can still see some black through it. Let that be. Black should also be visible. So blue color only in horizontal direction. Now like black color, when I was painting black color, I made sure that none of the white color will be visible. All the nooks and corners are painted properly. But now for blue color, we don't have to see that. Just in horizontal direction. Now let this dry, and then I will paint the silver color vertically. The blue color is also dry now. We can see both blue and black color through this. Now the last step is to paint it with silver color. So I have this silver acrylic paint. Use a dry brush. Now for the blue paint, I had used the brush in horizontal direction. Now I will use the silver one in vertical direction only. And we don't have to paint the whole thing. Let the black and blue color be visible through it. Now even if I am painting it with silver color, a lot of blue and black is visible. So no need to cover the whole thing in silver. This is the way we can give a little jeans effect, the denim effect to a glass bottle, a textured glass bottle with 3 colors. First layer was black, the second was ultramarine blue, and the third layer in silver.